Hello, my friends. Greetings from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. Now we are going to cook some stuffed mushroom. So I'm going to take the stems out, and I will do all the rest and come back to you. The stems are out, and I'm going to cut them into very small pieces. Today we are going to make two different type of stuffings for the mushrooms. One is based on potato, and the other one on the mushroom itself. So these stems that I'm cutting are going to be method number 1, and the potato is going to be method number 2. So when I cut all these mushroom stems into small pieces, I will get back to you. I'm doing it off the camera and get back to you for the rest. Now we also need some, as you can see, I have done the mushroom stems. Now the bell pepper. I'm going to use a mini bell pepper and cut it and get rid of the white piece and also the seeds inside, and then cut the bell pepper into small pieces. You can use any color bell pepper that you like, but I'm using red because I like to give it a good color. Now, as you've seen, we have the chopped mushrooms, chopped bell pepper, some garlic, breadcrumbs, coriander, fresh parsley, and 3 cheese, and some more Parmesan, and also a potato that I've boiled and got the skin off, and now mashing it. The one with mashed potato is going to be method number 2. Now we put a frying pan on the stove, add some olive oil, and then put the mushrooms that are the stems of the mushrooms that we cut into small pieces in the pan, and wait for the time that they get soft. And when they are soft and have changed color, we are going to add the garlic. Now we add the bell peppers, and mix and give it a few minutes so that everything will be ready we're going into the mushrooms. So that will do. I'm turning the heat off and letting the mixture to cool down. Now I've got those ingredients in the container and it's cool now. So I'm adding 3 cheese mix, that is cheddar, Parmesan and mozzarella, and I'm going to add a few tablespoons of breadcrumbs and some salt and some black pepper. Now we will mix all that together. And then add some butter to it. I'm gonna cut very narrow, thin slices and then put it into pieces because we don't want big chunks, just small pieces. And now mix. So our stuffing for method number 1 is ready, as you can see. Now for method number 2, that we are going to use potatoes, we are going to add 3 cheese and some fresh coriander that we have chopped and some fresh parsley. Now we add some salt and some black pepper. If you like it chili, you can add chili powder or cayenne or paprika. It's all up to you. Now we mix all this as well, and our mixture for stuffing number 2 method is also ready. Now we add some butter like we did with the other one. Now both our stuffings are ready. The red one is method number 1, the green one is the method number 2. Now we put a piece of parchment on a tray, divide the mushrooms into two halves, and add one on one side and the other on the other side. Now this is the one with the potato. And this is the one with mushroom and bell pepper. Okay, I think that will do. I will do the rest off the camera. Now I've done them all. Just going to add some green onion that I've chopped on top of the ones with the potato. Right, we have preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade. And now the oven is ready. We are going to transfer this tray into the oven on the middle rack. And keep watching through the window to see when it's ready. Now the mushrooms are almost done. We are going to add some more cheese on top of them. You need to add some Parmesan on top of them to give them a better look. But because I like the other two cheese that I'm going to tell you, I will add those. What I have is a mixture of Parmigiano Reggiano and Romano. Because I love these two cheese, so I'm going to add a mixture of them two. These are shredded, of course. Okay, now we put the tray back in the oven for a few minutes for final touch, and the mushrooms are ready. Both methods, And thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.